In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Taskbar transparent in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by opening the search icon on your taskbar, then type Microsoft Store and press Enter. If you already see it in your apps list, you can simply click to open it directly. Once the Microsoft Store window is open, go to the search bar at the top, click on it, type Translucent TB, and press Enter. From the search results, select the Translucent TB app, then click the blue Get or Install button to begin downloading it. Wait for the installation to finish, and once it's done, click Open to launch the app. As soon as the app runs, it will work in the background automatically. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen where the system tray is located. You should see a small circle icon, which is the Translucent TB icon. If you don't see it right away, click the up arrow to reveal hidden icons. Right-click the Translucent TB icon to open its menu. From there, hover over desktop, then click clear. This removes the blur effect and makes your taskbar fully transparent, creating that clean floating look where only the icons are visible. And make sure your taskbar stays transparent in all situations. Repeat the same process for other options in the menu, like visible window and start opened. Set each one to clear so the transparency effect stays consistent no matter what you're doing. It's important to know that Windows 11's built-in settings only provide a slightly blurred transparency, not a fully clear one. That's why using this app is the most reliable method if you want a completely transparent taskbar without dealing with complicated system tweaks. Once everything is set, your taskbar should now appear fully transparent across your desktop. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.